Hi everyone, this is another collaboration and is hosted by Salome at the Glamorous Penny Pincher. So let's get started. I want you to sit back and relax and see how I DIY and decorate these large ornaments. And here are the materials that I'll be using to put this together, to bring this all together. And you can find most of these materials at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabric, or Michael's. Okay, let's get started. This is a trim that I'll be using for this one. After spray painting it that brilliant gold, I decided to use this trim here, the gold trim, also to accent this. I decided to use materials that I had on hand to make the top of this ornament pick. And this is how we're going to top this one. And let's move on. And next is the copper color one, the copper ornament. And using the same technique that you saw at the beginning, we do the same with this one. And now to add the brooch at the top and to finish it off. I would like to thank Salome for hosting this wonderful collaboration. And don't forget to go and check out her channel. I have the links down in the description. I hope you enjoy watching me put together these two decorative ornament picks and I will be putting them on display in a later time, but you'll see it here. And don't forget there's a playlist connected with this. For more home decor, DIYs, and collaborations, press the button down below and become a subscriber. Now don't forget to like and share and comment down below which one did you like, or did you like both? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And to my subscribers, thank you for going with me through this journey on YouTube. My channel is growing slowly but surely, and I would like to say to all my subscribers, thank you, amores, and see you next time.